Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Bollinger Bands stop indicator V2 for MT4. This is a trend and reversal detection tool that combines Bollinger Bands with the RSI, plotting clear buy and sell signals directly on your chart to help you identify entry points, exits, and trend direction at a glance. I'll walk you through how the signals appear, what they imply, and the key settings you can adjust. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. But allow the load imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the Bollinger Band stop V2 indicator generates visual buy and sell signals based on the relationship between price and the Bollinger Bands filtered by RSI momentum. A buy signal appears when price is above the upper Bollinger Band and the RSI is below its lower threshold, indicating a strong upward breakout backed by non-overbought momentum. You can see it's implied here. While the sell signal, as you can see over here, the start of the yellow dots, appears when price is below the lower band and the RSI is above its upper threshold, confirming downside momentum. When price crosses back through the middle Bollinger Band, it also serves as a cue to consider exiting or tightening stops, keeping your exit discipline aligned with the same volatility logic that triggered your entry. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The Bollinger Bands period controls how many bars are used to build the band, with lower values making the bands and signals more reactive and higher values producing smoother, less frequent signals. Standard deviation settings adjust how wide the Bollinger Bands are drawn, affecting how far a price needs to extend before a signal is generated. You can also choose your preferred colors and trade your preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the Bollinger Band stop V2 suits traders who want a dual filter tool, volatility and momentum together to spot trends, reversals, and breakouts more reliably than using Bollinger Bands alone. It is a visual signal tool only, does not execute trades, and performs best on higher time frames where signals carry more weight, ideally confirmed with support and resistance levels or broader trend contexts. You can download the Bollinger Band Stop Indicator V2 for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a clean Bollinger Bands and RSI combination that highlights breakout entries, trend continuation signals, and exit cues directly on the price charts without cluttering a separate sub window. If you got value from this walkthrough, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.